video on the Fimal planer. So on here on your controller you got your start stop of your cutter. This is your table lift, which I'll show you in a minute. Emergency stop, twist release. The yellow button here is when you're changing knives to release the brake. So if you press that, you can spin the cutter block to get to your next one. Okay, around here, this is your control for your thicknessing, which I'll show you. This is your speed of your feed, which is electronic. Up down of your table, and then inch table. Okay. Up on your planer, and your fence, you've got a lock here for your tilt, so you undo that, get hold of the handle, tilt to whatever angle you want, and then lock back off. Your fence is locked at the moment. To unlock, push forward, then you can slide. Yeah. This here is for your depth of your planing. So this is your lock handle, so that's locked. So to move it, just unlock that, and then up or down with your handle. Yeah. This is also your guard. So at the moment it's locked down. Undo that, push that forward. This comes up then, it's floating. Then you've got obviously, yeah, push it down, pull it back, and then lock. For your thicknessing, this fence has to be right forward as far as it can. So you can do that from the front or the back. So you unlock, push right forward, so pull back to unlock, push right forward, then lock it off. That has to be locked, and there's a switch in there so it knows the fence is forward. If it's not locked, it'll slide back and make a racket. So with that forward, that's locked, and you have another handle here. This is locking your table, so turn that fully to the left. Yeah, see that? So that's locked fully to the left. Then you can lift your table. Just keep hold of that until it stops. Okay. You still won't be able to thickness yet, because you have to flick this over as well. There's a little chute that clicks in. Yeah, so once that's clicked in, you're ready to thickness. And then you can go up and down with your table. Yeah, that's your inch up. Now just a note, if you have the table above 100, it won't let you lower the top table. So just make sure, if you're thinking, why is it not going down, make sure the table's lower than 100. And then you just reverse the process. Just note on this little guard, yeah, there's a little thumb press here. That needs pushing in so you can release it. You won't be able to pull that on its own. Yeah, you got to push this in first. Push that in, down it comes. Your cutter block, it's a terser block. So you can see you've got your wedges. So to change the knives with them, okay, you'll need to tap the wedges down. So if you look, you'll get one of these tools. Yeah, you put a hammer or a mallet on that and you knock the wedges down. Okay, knock one, knock two, knock three down, and then you should be able to slide your blade out. At the moment it's not in a good position, so if you go to your button, you can release that and turn it to a better position. So you can slide there. So just to repeat that, to take knife out, tap the wedges down, 1, 2, 3, 4, slide your knife out, slide the new one in, make sure it's nice and in line with the edge, and then that's it. When it spins up, it locks itself. You can also, if you get a nick, if you're showing a nick on your piece of wood, you can slide one a little bit to the left and one a little bit to the right, so you can eliminate the nick. Okay, so to lower the table back down, obviously this will be shut, so don't forget to pull that out, push the button in, pull it round, make sure it's lowered down, and then lower it. Until it stops. Yeah, and make sure this is locked. Okay.